Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. The local football fraternity is mourning the death of a former national and Waterhouse player and assistant coach of the Wolmer's Boys Manning Cup team, Irvino English. English, who was also assistant coach at Arnett Gardens Football Club, was shot outside his home in the Waterhouse community on Wednesday night. Simon Preston has reactions to his death.
Irvino English spent a number of seasons with Waterhouse, and one player who crossed paths with him was Jermaine Tuffy Anderson. Anderson was hurt when he heard the news of the loss of a former teammate and friend.
Love Irvino English. As I say, to we are the same passion when it come on to our football game. Nothing joke thing, serious thing. I say, last night is sad, really and shortly from last night. Not really consume nothing yet, as I say, because it's a sad story. But the greatest thing was just make sure I have some tea. But the honest truth, I kind of feel it from my heart because, trust me, as I say, every time me and him touch, I feel like you don't know we are play for our heart.
Waterhouse Club chairman Bruce Bicknell says English was an all-rounded person.
Well, he was definitely a leader because he was a captain on the Waterhouse football team for about 5 years. And he played on the team for about 10 years. And, you know, he was also very involved in community work as well.
Chairman of Arnett Gardens Football Club, Mark Golding, says English made a good impact in the 5 months he spent with the club as assistant coach.
Irvino joined us at the beginning of this season, the very beginning of September, with our new coaching team. And we like him, we respect him, and he has been a faithful servant to the club since then. It saddens us greatly that he should have been cut down in the prime of his life in his home community. And it's just symptomatic of Jamaica moving beyond the brink where no one is safe.
President of the Jamaica Football Federation, Michael Ricketts, also has memories of English.
I became closely associated with him some years ago when he was part of a delegation that Simoes had taken to Brazil for a training camp. And since then we have bonded and we have had a real friendly relationship. So we're just saddened again by the untimely passing of Irvino English.
Anderson says English also inspired him to get into coaching.
I think this year will start it still because the youths them are wait for me. You know, if a Penwood High School, youths them look up to me down there. So as I said, it's a little sad story. Trust me, I think me feel it from my heart and many people feel it. As me tell you, so it's a sad. But as you say, we have to just hold up our head and come again.
General Manager of Arnett Gardens, Peter Thelwell, and head coach Alex Thomas declined to comment and requested time to grieve the loss of English. It is still to be decided if Arnett Gardens will be honouring their Monday night fixture against Cavalier at the Stadium East Field. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.